What's up guys, welcome back. Super Shadow and Super Sonic split drawing. You need a ruler for this one. Divide your page in half. You can measure your page or you can fold your page in half and it'll give you exact middle. So let's try. Let's go. Alrighty, so start with Sonic. So we'll go a frowning Sonic half portrait, right? So a check mark coming out this way. Okay. And then large eye, large round eye. So curving around. Glowing eye. When he's supersonic, is it red? Because they're both kind of red. Can't remember. Black, same shape, just smaller inside, and then colored black. Or if you're using a pencil, just shade it dark as you can. So he's got like some frown lines, you know, just some textures, like, because he's a furry guy, just coming around that eye. And then we'll do the nose. So we'll do both sides of the nose, well, we'll do half. Well, and we'll just do the mirror then. So it's just the noses are perfectly connected, so we'll just do it like that. And then the shape for his face comes out from the eye down around there. This would be cool actually on its own, even if you didn't want to do the shadow part. And then his mouth, like that, looking all serious. Above his eyebrow we have his ear. So it's just a triangle. You could do it hairy if you wanted, like scratchy sort of lines, or smooth is fine as well. It's up to you what sort of way you'd like to do it. You know, you can go kind of scratchy with it to make him look furry. Smooth is fine too, of course. Like just a straight line, like that works too. So just inside the ear. And there's like some hairlines just in there. So we have all those spikes, right? So starting sort of just above the ear here, we go kind of hairy. But again, of course, if you want to do it smooth, you can. There's like some light texture lines just on his hair. Kind of like, you know, Dragon Ball Super Saiyan, which is how Super Sonic came about. Dragon Ball. So this is kind of a Dragon Ball drawing. And then the next one, curving up that way. And then it goes down here. Kind of around his ear, just into eye level, kind of just here. And this has some textures on it as well. Third spike, and it kind of starts here. And again, I'm just doing it hairy, but you could just go smooth if you didn't want to do the textures and stuff. So the body, so we can see his shoulder here. He's kind of like clenching his fist over this side. Shoulder, and his arm comes down that way. Just down to like his wristband, you know, the white wristband. Just down here. And I'll just go off the bottom of the page a little bit. fit in as much as we can. And then his side body going that way. And then we got a spike just behind his back. And then he has that different sort of color on his stomach. Different color fur. Okay, so his clenched fist just here. So we do like 4 bumps for his knuckles that are knuckles for his fingers curving over. Back of the hand goes down, and then we get 4 that I can fit in. I could probably only fit in 3. And it just goes off the page. You can do a 4th one there and bring it around if you wanted, just to the pinky. Or you can cut your page, obviously, as well. And just do lines for fingers, just coming in here then. There might be some just lines across. And finally the thumb. So right, let's do shadow. So line up the eyes, right? So we're going to do the frown the other way. We're going to give him a slightly different eye. We're giving him like a spikier eye, I think. You could do them the exact same if you wanted, but just to change the character a little bit, you know. So we're going to go, instead of, see the way Sonic's is round, we give him kind of like a sleeker, kind of spikier eye. So it like starts that way. So it has like a spike. And then we just bring this down, in. And kind of like Sonic's, we just go into there, like a tear duct. So it's slightly different. It just looks slicker or something. Bit of shadow up there, maybe. Shadow. And then his eye. Coming down from here. And then a spiky black pupil. Like so. And we just do the same sort of thing. So we do his eyebrow. Curving around, you know, the frowns and wrinkles and stuff. And he has a red spike just on his fur here. And his nose just lines up with Sonic's one. His mouth as well. And then the face shape. So his ear just above the eyebrow as well. And then the inside of it. Right, and then just same sort of spike situation. So it comes down, pen is wasted. Goes down this way. And the different, he has red on his spikes, but we'll get the shapes in first. So we'll just go. That similar to Sonic's. Excuse me. Oh my God. That caught me by surprise. And so there's the red inside. So you could just like lightly put this in, and then of course it would be done with color. And he has the red bits like that are all on each of his spikes. Just lightly sort of color them in there. And some textures on his hair also. couple texture lines on each one, following the shape. And then like shoulder again. Then comes down to his arm. And he has he's different wristbands. So it's like, they're like gold and black and stuff. So do it this way. Maybe some of his arm then. Can we see Sonic's arm? A little bit. So that's like his gold wristband. And then fingers again, 4 bumps. And that comes down that way. Then that way. And then 4 knuckles at the back. Or 3 is all I can fit in really. You could just add the 4th down there somewhere if you had room. And then knuckles, and finger lines, and then a big thumb. And I could just add an edge line maybe for the gold just around this. And body. So body here. Another spike just under his armpit, and then he has like a furry thing there. All right, cool. And of course, like sort of lightning. You know, if you wanted just some sort of effects like Super Sonic Super Shadow. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.